so excited to be here, and this is our book, Mary Magdalene's Journey.
Award-winning, and here we are again in Phoenix, and we're about to go into the awards gala soon. So thanks for tuning in, y'all. MagdalenesJourney.com.
Our next award-winning co-authors are Renee and Anthony. How are you? Their book titled
Anthony and I are very excited to be here. It was a real book of inspiration about the unsung voices of women from the past. Magdalene's Journey is the untold story of Mary Magdalene's life and her teachings. And the distortion of her over time begs the question, how many other pivotal women have been written out of our historical narrative? This is dedicated to all of those invisible women, including my mother and grandmother. Through religion and politics, the patriarch has dictated how we think, what we value in our lives, and how to behave for far too long. But we don't need to subscribe to that playbook. Breaking this illusion is long overdue. The feminine values of love, collaboration, compassion, these are the values that we need to embrace as a way to live and lead at this time. So we honor the unsung voices of women and the women's brave voices, and they're all in this room, who have written your stories, the vulnerable ones that have been really, really hard to share. So your brave voices gives other women permission to do the same. Your brave voices will not only rebalance the masculine and feminine that we each hold in all of us, but it will also heal humanity and, most importantly, expand our collective consciousness. So here's to all the Magdalenes in the room and around the world. Woo! 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 Thank you very much.